What's happening, guys? Coming at you from Down4SoundShop.com with a color coordination. I have my blue logo on because we got a brand new amplifier, the Down4Sound JP77 7-channel. But first,
wanna feel the heat. Wanna feel the heat, yeah. Wanna feel the heat.
alright guys, again, we're bringing in all kinds of amplifiers to market because we're listening to y'all when y'all say that y'all need something that y'all think would be very popular. We look into it, we do some research, and if it's a good idea, we end up bringing it to market. So when we came out with the JP95 5-channel amplifier, it's still super popular. It's selling more than ever. But a lot of people are like, man, I love it, but I wish you had one that did more power and offered a couple more channels. That would be perfect. So we listened to you. This amplifier, to my knowledge, has never been done before. Either a 7-channel amplifier with 2,000, well actually over 2,000 watts of power for the subwoofer. This is ridiculous. Again, I've never seen this before either. Never seen the JP 10.4, something that massive in a 4-channel. Same thing here. So let's go over these specs real quick. Again, shout out on the packaging from Mr. Jacob Scott. Killer job as always. So first of all, we're going to go over what most people are going to use for their mids and highs. You're going to have 6 channels that are going to give you 120 watts. Again, you know how we do our ratings, but we're going to go with 120 watts by 6 channels at 4 ohms. If you bring those channels down to 2 ohms, you're going to get 190 watts by 6. And then again, 1 ohm for the subwoofer side, you're going to get 2,000 watts for channel 7. Ridiculous. This is crazy, guys, I'm telling you. We're not playing around. Beast of an amplifier. Anyway, let's get the box out of the way and we will show you the JP77. A couple of the features, other than it being a 7-channel amplifier, something you're going to notice that I haven't seen in a very long time is external RCAs. So you can see that it comes with RCAs right here. In order to keep the heatsink of the amplifier a little bit smaller to save a little bit of room, we decided to do external RCAs. We'll show you how to plug those in real quick. So if you can, we'll talk about this crossover side as well. So you can see all the different channels here. So you got your channels 1 and 2, channels 3 and 4, channels 5 and 6, and then channel 7 right there. And you got your power, clip, protect. And over here where usually you would see Tiffany style RCA connections, you have a new style of RCA connection. So you'll take this connector right here and you'll plug it in like so, and you can see where, well, you might not be able to see it, but there's a little hook that clips that into there, so it can't pull out unless you push the little clip to let it release. Man, there's a lot of connection on this amplifier, but there's a lot going on. Got your 0 gauge power and ground. Obviously you're going to need that for a 3,000 watt amplifier. And then all these speaker connections right here, you got 8 gauge for your channels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So right here you got channel 1, channel 2, then 3 and 4, then you have 5, 6, and 7. Craziness. I can't even believe the stuff that we're coming out with sometimes. So awesome though. Oh, we have to show you the bottom side, right? You want to see the bottom side? Okay. Show you the bottom side. Make sure I show you the right way here. So on the bottom side, right here, same treatment as we always do. We got the plexiglass, the thick plexiglass cover. But since there's a lot of stuff going inside of this amplifier, we decided to run dual high flow fans on it to really move some air through this amplifier to help keep it cooled off. And you can see a little love note in there. Never been done. If you know of one, please let me know. But to this day right now, I don't know if anybody's done that. Measurements, we'll get on that in just a second. Same high-end bass knob. We got the new aluminum heatsink style bass knob that's made out of aluminum, and we dimmed down the display here so it won't be blinding you. This comes with this amplifier as well. As far as measurements, let's go with the width first. So on the width of this, we're going to go with 22 inches. That should give you a little bit of wiggle room. We'll call it 22 inches. 22 inches wide by 9.5. What, deep? I'm like, which one's next? Deep. And then the height is going to be that 2 3/4 or 3 inches, somewhere in there. This amplifier is going to come in at a price point of $689. Remember, this 7-channel amplifier will be able to run your entire vehicle setup. If you're looking to upgrade your factory system and have a system that's rocking in there, this amplifier is going to be able to do everything from your mids and highs all the way to your subwoofer, and giving your subwoofer over 2,000 watts of power. So be sure to check this amplifier out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. I'm super thrilled about this amplifier, and I look forward to seeing it in your ride so we can see how much you love it as well. Don't forget about the Down4Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website under the financing tab, so be sure to check that out. And also, tons of people have been asking about Down4Sound banners. Got it backwards. Anyway, tons of people have been asking about these. We got 4 different colors in stock, and they're super cheap. These are like 14 bucks. So if you want to get a Down4Sound banner, or if you've been asking about them, I had so many people asking about those, and I was just lazy and didn't want to do it. We finally got it done. So if you want to grab some of those, you can check it out in the description below, along with the JP77 Beast right here. Until next time, we'll see you. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life or Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.